In this video we are going to replace a new fan. My old fan just stopped working, so I am going to replace it with a new fan by myself. Everyone can do this on your own. You don't have to rely on anyone else. Just replace your fan. It's quite simple. All you need is like a screwdriver and a plier, and before you actually install the fan, you need to attach all the leaves to the new fan. Just like this, I am going to connect it to that rod there. Make sure the electricity is off, cut off. You can actually switch off your mains or switch off the switch to the fan and align it to that hole right there, so that you can insert the screw there, and that will hold the fan to the rod, just like that. And you make sure the wires are not touching, and that's how it is. It's just easy. Now you can actually, you need to insert the other washers and keep the nut there and may tight it just like that. This fan has two nuts, so I am tightening two nuts. I use a plier to actually tight it really well. Before that, you need to connect the two wires to the motor of the fan. For that, you need to loosen it up and insert the wire just like that. If the wires are color coded, insert it like that. Since it's not color coded, you can insert it just like this. If there is excess wire hanging out from this, you need to actually tape it to the rod, like I am doing right now, so that it won't come and touch the motor while running. And you just need to tighten this screws to the nut. Choose a spanner. I have an adjustable screw spanner. You use that to tighten it so that there is no vibration and things like that. In order to prevent the nut from coming out, just lock it with the pin, just like that, and use a plier to actually change the pin like that, so that it will prevent the nuts from coming down. And cover it with the canopy and tighten the screw there. Okay, so make sure that it is not touching the motor of the fan, just like that. And that's it. The fan is now installed. It's just 30 minutes of work, and you don't have to rely on anyone else. Hope this video inspired you to do this on your own. Please like, share and subscribe for more future DIY videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Hope it inspired you.